Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best stainless steel table with sink is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of equipment you can add to your kitchen, workshop, or garage, offering a durable, hygienic, and functional workspace that can handle everything from food preparation to heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're a professional chef looking to optimize your culinary operations, a DIY enthusiast needing a reliable surface for your projects, or a homeowner seeking extra prep space, this essential item provides a robust and easy-to-clean solution that stands up to the rigors of daily use, making it a smart investment for any space that demands efficiency and longevity. Number 5. ROCKPOINT Stainless Steel Prep and Work Table 24x48. Introducing the ROCKPOINT Stainless Steel Prep and Work Table. This robust table is designed for durability and heavy use in any commercial kitchen or workspace. With a desktop load capacity of 480 pounds and an undershelf that can hold 380 pounds, it easily supports appliances and kitchen essentials. Its generous dimensions provide ample workspace and storage. Customize your workspace with adjustable legs and an undershelf. The integrated backsplash protects your walls from splashes, keeping your area clean and tidy. Crafted from NSF certified No. 430 stainless steel with a drawing treatment, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and is simple to maintain. This ensures a safe and hygienic environment. Perfect for kitchens, garages, restaurants, and more, this table is suitable for both indoor and outdoor commercial applications. It adapts to various work needs across different industries. Assembly is quick and easy with included instructions and hardware. We are committed to your satisfaction and offer 24-hour support for any questions or concerns. What we like. This table boasts a robust 2-layer design with impressive load capacity, perfect for heavy-duty use. Its adjustable height and backsplash offer enhanced functionality and protection. If you need a reliable work surface that can handle significant weight and prevent messes, this is an excellent choice for busy kitchens or workshops. What people say. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for a busy kitchen environment. The integrated sink is a convenient feature, saving counter space and streamlining workflow. The table's sturdy design can support heavy equipment, providing a reliable workspace. Number 4. YITAHOME NSF Stainless Steel Work Table. Introducing the YITAHOME NSF Stainless Steel Table, a versatile solution perfect for any space. Whether it's your kitchen, garage, or restaurant, this table is designed to meet your needs. Maximize your space with its double-layer removable shelves, offering convenient storage and easy access to your items. This thoughtful design ensures you have ample room for everything you need. Built for stability, this workbench provides a sturdy surface for your tasks and a reliable place to store appliances. It's designed to be both a workspace and a storage solution. Crafted from 0.6 mm thickened stainless steel, it's corrosion-resistant, rust-proof, and built to last. This table boasts an impressive 1,460 pounds load-bearing capacity, ensuring durability and longevity. Assembly is a breeze with all necessary accessories and clear instructions included. You can set up your new table quickly and easily, even with gloves on. What we like. Maximize your storage with this table's innovative overshelves and removable shelf design, offering unparalleled accessibility. Its high load-bearing capacity ensures it can handle all your appliances and supplies with ease. If you're looking for a versatile solution to organize and store a lot of items, especially in a commercial setting or a packed garage, this table is ideal. What people say. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The integrated sink is a convenient feature, saving space and streamlining workflow. The table provides ample workspace and the undershelf offers additional storage for kitchen essentials. Number 3. YITAHOME NSF Stainless Steel Work Table. Introducing the YITAHOME NSF Stainless Steel Work Table. This durable and NSF certified table is perfect for a wide range of applications, from your home kitchen to your professional garage or restaurant. Maximize your space with 2 spacious stainless steel shelves. The adjustable bottom shelf allows for flexible storage of appliances like microwaves or meat grinders. Crafted from high-quality 201 stainless steel, this table is built to last. It's corrosion-resistant, rust-resistant, and incredibly easy to clean, ensuring a long lifespan. Don't worry about heavy loads. With a 0.6 mm thickened stainless steel plate, thickened tubing, and fittings, it offers a substantial total load-bearing capacity of 330 lb. Setting up your new work table is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary accessories, detailed instructions, and even installation tools and gloves for a hassle-free assembly. What we like. This option offers 2 stainless steel shelves, including an adjustable bottom shelf, providing ample storage in a more compact footprint. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. If you have limited space but still need efficient storage for appliances and kitchenware, this table is a great fit for smaller kitchens or workshops. What people say. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The integrated sink is deep enough to handle large pots and pans, and the drain board provides ample space for drying dishes. Assembly was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 2. 48 by 24 inch stainless steel folding prep table. Crafted from 18-gauge stainless steel, this prep table offers superior rust and corrosion resistance. Its polished surface is easy to clean and sterilize, ensuring food safety. Designed for high performance, it features sturdy legs and a thickened folding hinge for exceptional stability. It boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 500 pounds on the tabletop. With a generous 48x 24-inch tabletop, it provides ample workspace. The adjustable undershelf and bullet feet allow for customized storage and stability on any surface. Its collapsible legs fold down easily, making it incredibly convenient to carry. Perfect for picnics or when space is limited. This sturdy table is ideal for a wide range of uses. From commercial kitchens and labs to garages and outdoor work, it's a reliable addition to any environment. What we like. Experience ultimate convenience with its folding design, making it incredibly portable for outdoor use or easy storage. It offers high performance with a substantial weight capacity and NSF certification for food safety. If you need a versatile table that can be easily transported for picnics, catering events, or simply stored away when not in use, this folding model is perfect. What people say. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The integrated sink is a convenient feature, saving space and streamlining workflow. The table provides ample workspace, perfect for food preparation and plating. Number 1. GRIDMANN Stainless Steel Kitchen Prep Table 72 by 30. Introducing a robust stainless steel work table, perfect for any demanding environment. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliability for all your tasks. This prep table is NSF certified, meeting the highest standards for safety and durability. It's designed to perform exceptionally in commercial kitchens and industrial settings. Maximize your workspace with the adjustable undershelf. It provides ample space for storing equipment, pots, pans, and other supplies, keeping your area organized. With its versatile design, this work table is suitable for a variety of applications. Use it in restaurants, hotels, home kitchens, or even your garage. The adjustable, non-marring feet ensure stability on any surface. They protect your floors from scratches and allow you to easily level the table, eliminating wobble. Designed with your comfort in mind, the rounded edges provide a safer and more comfortable working experience. This thoughtful detail enhances usability during long work sessions. What we like. This heavy-duty work table stands out with its extra-large surface area and integrated backsplash, ideal for extensive food preparation or large projects. The rounded edges enhance working comfort and safety. If you require a spacious and robust workstation for demanding commercial environments or a large home kitchen, this table provides ample room and enhanced usability. What people say. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The integrated sink is deep and spacious, perfect for washing large pots and pans. The table provides ample workspace for food preparation and plating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.